Balance sheet, it is not an account. It is a statement of assets and liability which shows the financial position of the concern. What is trial balance? Has got two sides, debit side and the credit side. Debit side shows assets and expenses. Credit side shows incomes and liability. Profit and loss account gives the result of net profit or net loss which has been transferred to capital. Bad debt means the money which cannot be irrecoverable money from the customer is called bad debt. Hello my dear student, I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand Financial Accounting 1 for first semester BBA. The chapter goes final accounts of sole trading concern. So we have got individual business, single man business. It is called final accounts of sole trading concern. Sole trading means single man business, one man business. Final account, an account which is prepared at the end of the year is called final account. After this account, no accounts to be prepared. So final accounts have three divisions. One is trading account, one is profit and loss account, one is a balance sheet. Which are the three divisions are? One is trading account, one is profit and loss account, one is a balance sheet. Trading account is directly connected. Only purchase and sales will be taken. The difference may be profit or loss. That profit we called as gross profit. All indirect expenses will come in the profit and loss account. The net result is net profit or net loss that will transfer to balance sheet or capital. The third one is a balance sheet. It is not an account. It is a statement of assets and liability which shows the financial position of the concern. So what's a trial balance? Trial balance shows arithmetical accuracy of books of account, which has got two sides. One is the debit side, one is the credit side. Debit side shows assets and expenses. Credit side shows incomes and liability. So when you are preparing the final account, you require three divisions. One is trading account, one is profit and loss account, one is the balance sheet. Trading account gives the result of gross profit or gross loss. Profit and loss account, which is indirectly connected, gives the result of net profit or net loss. Next, balance sheet is not an account. It's a statement of assets and liability, which shows the financial position of the concern. We'll go with the problem now. The following is the particular you are required to prepare the final account for the year ending 31st December 2013. So start with January, end with December is called calendar year. Start with April, end with March is called financial. They will give the trial balance like this. So I told so many times, what is trial balance? Has got two sides, debit side and the credit side. Debit side shows assets and expenses. Credit side shows incomes and liability. So you must be here to bifurcate this one into where the item goes to trading account, profit loss account, and balance sheet. We'll bifurcate now. Drawings. This should be deducted from capital. Drawing should be deducted from capital. Capital, it will go to liability side of the balance sheet. This is minus capital. Then opening stock should go to trading account. Purchases and sale. This is your purchase, trading account. Sales also trading account. Returns. Debit side. This is your sales return. This is sales return. This is purchases return. This should be deducted from purchases. This should be deducted from sale. It is called return outward. It's called return inward. Then we have got carriage outward, profit and loss account. Then salary, profit and loss account. Freight, trading account. Bad debt, money which cannot be recovered from the customer is called bad debt, profit and loss account. So you must be in a position just like you have to bifurcate. Then discount, debit side allowed, credit side received. This will come profit and loss, debit side. This will come profit and loss, credit side. It is allowed, this is received. Sundry expenses, profit and loss account. Debtor is an asset. Creditor is a liability. Rent for 10 months. So we are doing the problem for how many months? 12 months. It is for how many months? 10 months. 2 months outstanding. So 4,000 divided by 10 is 400. 2 months means 800. So this will come profit and loss account. Wages, trading account. RBD, this is old RBD. This is called old RBD. Then what's formula? Bad debt plus new RBD minus old RBD. Then furniture is asset. Investment is asset. Printing and stationery, profit and loss account. Bills payable is a liability. Cash is a asset. So we'll move on. Bank means cash at bank is an asset. Interest on investment, profit and loss account, credit side. Building is an asset. You must, what I have done now, same thing you must be positioned to do it, which will come in the trading account, which will come in the profit and loss account, which will come in the balance sheet. The items in the trial balance should appear only once, either in the trading account or in the profit and loss account or in the balance sheet. We'll move on to adjustment. Stock destroyed. What is the total amount? 3,000. How much you are going to receive? 3,000. 2,000. Here, how to do this now? Stock destroyed, 3,000. How much you are going to receive? 2,000. What is the total stock destroyed? 3,000. How much you are going to, how much is irrecoverable? 1,000. So 3,000 will come trading account. This is trading account. Credit side. 2,000 will come on asset side. This will come on asset side. 1,000 profit and loss, debit side as stock destroyed. So 3,000 trading account credit side, 2,000 asset side of the balance sheet, 1,000 profit and loss account debit side as loss on stock destroyed. How? 3,000 trading account credit side, 2,000 asset side of the balance sheet, 1,000 profit and loss account debit side. So we'll move on. This is over. Outstanding wages. What to do? Add to wages. In trading account, add to wages. Then liability side of the balance sheet. What to do? Add to wages, liability side of the balance sheet. RBD, 5% on debtor. You have to calculate on debtor how much percentage? 5% you have to calculate. What's your formula? Bad debt plus new RBD minus old RBD. Salary prepaid. Deduct from salary, then asset side of the balance sheet. Then depreciation on building on 15%. On building, it has gone down by 15%. Whatever the depreciation you charge, that will come profit and loss account. When you are doing in the balance sheet, this should be deducted. Closing stock, unsold stock, trading account credit side, asset side of the balance sheet. Where it will come? Trading account credit side, asset side of the balance sheet. Regarding the debtor, you have got how much provision for doubtful debts is there? 5% of debtor. I will show you. What's your debtor? 1,30,000. Your RBD is 3,500. Bad debt is how much? 2,500. See that? I will work out and show. Your formula is bad debt plus new RBD minus old RBD. This is the regular formula. What's your formula? Bad debt plus new RBD minus old RBD. Bad debt in the trial balance, old RBD in the trial balance. New RBD you have to going to calculate. If you see your trial balance, see the trial balance now. What's your bad debt? 2,500 is there. Then your debtor is how much? 1,30,000, 5% on that. Your bad debt comes 2,500. Then your debtor is 1,30,000. Old RBD is 3,500. I'll show you. Your bad debt is 2,500 plus new RBD on 1,30,000. You have to calculate 5%. On 1,30,000, 5% means 6,500. Add. Then old RBD, your old RBD shows your RBD is 3,500. Deduct 5,500 will come profit and loss account debit side. What's your formula? Bad debt plus new RBD minus old RBD. You go to once again here regarding this bad debt. What's the formula? B plus N minus O. What's your formula? Bad debt plus new RBD minus old. Formula bad debt plus new RBD minus old RBD. Salary prepaid, deduct from salary, assets of the balance sheet. Division on building you calculate 15%, that will come profit and loss account debit side. While you are doing the balance sheet, out of the building they should be deducted. Closing stock, trading account credit side, then asset side of the balance sheet. We'll move on to problem now. Your opening stock is 50,000. As per the trial balance, your opening stock is 50,000. You made a purchase to the extent of 2,50,000. How much goods returned? 12,000. It becomes 2,38,000. Then freight charges 12,000 directly connected. Your wages is 10,000. As per your adjustment is 1,500. It becomes 11,500 rupees. You made a sale of rupees 4 lakh. How much goods returned? 10,000. The real sale becomes 3,90,000. Unsold stock is how much? 50,000. Goods destroyed is 3,000 as per the problem. So, this is opening stock. Last year it was a closing stock. This year it becomes the opening stock. We made a purchase of how much? 2,50,000. How much goods returned? Returned to a seller, 12,000. Real purchase become 2,38,000. Your freight charges is 12,000. How much wages paid? 10,000. Add outstanding till payable 1,500. It becomes 11,500. We made a sale of rupees 4 lakh. Out of that return is 10,000. What's the actual figure comes? 3,90,000. Closing stock, unsold stock is 50,000. Stock destroyed is 3,000. Your gross profit arrived 1,31,500. Then the gross profit has been brought down from the trading account. We receive a discount received how much? 1,600 is a income. Interest on investment is a income on the credit side. Come back to debit side. Your salary paid is 22,000 minus prepaid from the adjustment is 2,000. Actually salary for this year is 20,000. Carry age outward means finished goods is going out. Discount allowed is 2,000. Sundry expense for this year is 2,500. Rent how much? 4,000. Then this is 4,000 divided by 10 into 2. How many? This is for 10 months only. So 4,000 divided by 10 is 400. For 2 months is 800. It becomes 2,800. Your bad debt as per the problem is 2,500. From the debtor is 1,30,000. On that 5% is 6,500. It becomes 9,000. Your as per the trial balance, the old RBD is 3,500. Your net figure is 5,500. Printing and stationery is an expenditure you have got. Your building value is 80,000. 15% of 80,000 is 12,000. It is an expenditure. While you are doing in the balance sheet, out of the building, 12,000 should be deducted. Then loss on stock destroyed. Your loss is totally 4,000. Out of you recover 3,000 rupees. Here we show that your loss stock destroyed is how much? 3,000 rupees is there. Here 1,000 means you recovered how much? 2,000. How much you could not recover? The balance of 1,000. The net figure is 65,800, which has been transferred to balance sheet. It should be added to capital. In your balance sheet, your cash balance is 24,600. In your bank balance is 35,000. Your unsold stock is 50,000. Due from insurance company is 2,000. Out of 3,000, 2,000 to be recovered. How much loss? 1,000. Your building value is 80,000. It has been come down by 15%, 12,000. We deduct it is 68,000. Furniture value is 8,000. Your investment value is 15,000. Your debtor is 1,30,000. On the doubtful debt, debt may come, may not come to the extent of 5%. 5% on, it works out how much? 6,500. Balance is 1,23,500. Salary prepaid as per the adjustment is 2,000. Then you have to pay to creditor 1,45,000. How much bills payable? 18,000. Outstanding wages as per the adjustment is 1,500. Outstanding rent for this is for 2 months, 800. How much still payable? 2,300. We started with a balance of 1 lakh this year. We earn a profit of 65,800 and we draw how much money? 3,000. The balance available 1,62,800. So 1 lakh become 1,62,800. After drawing 3,000 means you earn a profit of 65. There is an improvement. 1 lakh become 1,62,800 plus 3 means you got 65,800. There is a financial position has been improved. If you see that your capital has been increased from 1 lakh to 1,62,800, there is an improvement. So all the final accounts have got 3 divisions. One is trading account, one is profit and loss account, one is the balance sheet. Trading account gives the result of gross profit or gross loss. Profit and loss account gives the result of net profit or net loss, which has been transferred to capital. If there is a net profit, for a capital, net profit should be added. If there is a net loss, for a capital, net loss should be deducted. Then while you're doing the balance sheet, for a capital, net profit will be added. If the net loss, that should be deducted. No. So you have got 3 divisions. One is trading account, one is profit and loss account, one is a balance sheet. Trading account gives the results of gross profit or gross loss, whereas profit and loss account gives the result of net profit or net loss. Balance sheet is not an account, it is a statement of assets and liabilities. So, which shows the financial position of the account. We say balance sheet shows the financial position of the account, how much asset we are having, how much liability. When you compare to last year, there is any financial improvement. If you see that there is a financial improvement, 1 lakh becomes how much? 1,62,800. After drawing 3,000 means he earned 65,800. So out of that, how much he has drawn? 3,000 for personal use. So one more point to remember here. You must be in a position to bifurcate, which will come in there. This is a trial balance. What I told trial balance? Trial balance shows arithmetical accuracy of books of account, which has got 2 sides. One is the debit side, one is the credit side. Debit side shows assets and expenses. Credit side, incomes and liability. I will repeat. As debit side shows assets and expenses. Credit side, incomes and liability, which shows the what are the 3 here now? Trial balance shows arithmetical accuracy of books of account. These balances has taken from the ledger. First, we prepare the journal entry to ledger, ledger to trial balance. We are going to be, we have got 2 sides. One is called debit side, one is the credit side. The 2 sides should be, when you make the total, there must be accuracy. The books of account should be tallied. Debit side should tally to credit side should be tallied to debit side. You must be in a position to bifurcate here. Here, see that capital will come on liabilities of the balance sheet. Drawing, he draws personally, should be deducted from the capital. Opening stock, trading account. Purchase and sale, trading account. Returns, debit side, sales return, credit side, purchase return. Carriage outward, profit and loss account, debit side. Salary, profit and loss account. Freight, directly connected, trading account. Bad debt means irrecoverable money which cannot be recovered is called a bad debt. Then, discount allowed, profit and loss account. Discount received, profit and loss account, credit side. Sundry expenses, profit and loss account. Debtor is a asset, creditor is a liability. Rent for 10 months means 2 months is outstanding. How much already paid? 4,000. Divided by 10 is 400 into 2 means 800 to be paid. Then wages, trading account. RBD means old RBD. What's the formula? Bad debt plus new RBD minus old RBD. I will repeat. bad debt plus new RBD minus old RBD. Furniture, asset side of the balance sheet. Investment, asset side of the balance sheet. Printing and stationery, profit and loss account. Bills payable, liability side of the balance sheet. Cash, asset side of the balance sheet. Bank means cash at bank, asset side. Interest on investment, profit and loss account, credit side. Building will come on the asset side of the balance sheet. Then here are all adjustments should 3,000 trading account credit side, 2,000 asset side of the balance sheet, the difference 1,000 profit and loss account, loss on stock destroyed, outstanding wages, active wages, then liability side of the balance sheet. RBD, what's the formula? Bad debt plus new RBD minus old. What's the formula? Bad debt plus new RBD minus old RBD. Salary prepaid, that should be deducted from salary, then asset side of the balance sheet. Division on building, what's the value of the building? You see that on that 15% you have to calculate. So that depreciation means fall in the value of the asset will come profit and loss account. While you are doing the balance sheet out of the building, that amount should be deducted. Closing stock, trading account credit side, asset side of the balance sheet. Here, your opening stock is 50,000 as per the trial balance. Your purchase is 2,50,000. On the credit side, your return is how much? 12,000. Deduct, it become 2,38,000. Your freight charge directly connected is 12,000. Wages paid how much? 10,000. Add outstanding wages as per the adjustment is 1,500. Still paid. This is already paid. It is still payable. How much still payable? 1,500. It becomes 11,500 rupees. You make a sale of rupees 4 lakh. How much goods returned? 10,000. Actual sale become 3,90,000. By closing stock, unsold stock is 50,000. Stock destroyed. This stock destroyed from the adjustment will come trading account credit side. The net result is here is you got 1,31,000 in the gross profit 31,500 which has been transferred to profit and loss account. Here all indirect expenses we are going to deal. Salary paid is how much? 12,000. How much prepaid is 2,000. How much still payable? 20,000. Carriage inward means raw material is coming in. Carriage outward is finished goods is going on. Both are carriage, cartage, no, it's an expenditure. Discount allowed is an expenditure. Sundry expenses an expenditure. How much rent paid? 4,000. Still you have to, this is for 10. This is actually for 10 months. Your rent you have paid only for 10 months. How much out? Because you are doing the final account for 1 year. How many rent you have paid? 10 months. How many rent outstanding? 2 months. This is 4,000 divided by 10 into 2. It works out 800. Become 4,800. As per the problem, bad debt means irrecoverable money is 2,500. As per the adjustment, the new RBD is 6,500. As per the trial balance, the old RBD is 3,500. Totally it works out 5,500. Printing and stationery 2,500. Then here discount received is income, interest on investment is income. The net result will go. Loss on stock destroyed 3,000. How much recover? 2,000. How much could not be recovered? 1,000 is a loss on destroyed. The net result is 65,800. That will be transferred to balance sheet. That it should be added to capital. In the balance sheet, cash in hand is asset, cash balance available. In your bank balance, how much is there? 35,000. Your unsold stock is 50,000. You have to receive from insurance company how much? 2,000. Your building value as per trial balance is 80,000. Depreciation at 15%. 15% of 80,000 is 12,000. How much balance is? 68,000. Your furniture value is 8,000. Your investment is an asset. You invested somewhere. 15,000. Debtor from the customer, we have to receive how much? 1,30,000. Out of the RBD means the reserve for bad and doubtful debt. The debt may come, may not come to the extent of how much? 6,500. What's the balance? 1,23,500. So all prepaids are salary. If we pay more now, next year we pay less, that's all. We pay more in this year, next year we say. Assume that the water charge. Every month your water charge is about 1,000 rupees. Now you pay 1,200. How much paid more? 200. Next time you pay less, 200, that's all. Every month you are paying 1,000 rupees for water charge. This month you pay 1,200. How much paid more? 200. Next time you pay 200, only 800 you have to pay. That's called prepaid. Here, creditor seller you have to pay. Bills payable you have to pay. Outstanding wages is not yet paid. You have to pay. Outstanding rent for how many months? 2 months is not yet paid. Still outstanding. Liable. The firm is liable to extent of 800. You started with a capital of rupees 1 lakh. You earn a profit of 65,800. That should be added. How much money drawn? 3,000. What's the balance available? 1,62,800. Here the net result is 3,28,100 will tally. So the major point we go through here, we will give the trial balance and the adjustment. So what is your duty now? You go through the trial balance. What is the trial balance says? It shows the arithmetical accuracy of books of account. What is that is? Arithmetical accuracy of books of account. So here say we have got two sides. One is called the debit side, one is called the credit side. Debit side shows assets and expenses. Credit side shows incomes and liability. You must be careful. All asset will come on the debit side. All liability will come on the credit side. All expenses will come on the debit side. All income will become on the credit side. It's a base. Arithmetical accuracy of books of account. On the basis of this, with the adjustment, the items in the trial balance should appear only once. The items in the adjustment should appear must be twice. So you must be careful. It is a twice or thrice you can appear. So regarding the bad date, you must have a formula. Bad date plus new RBD minus old RBD. This is very careful. I will explain once again. Here now, this is important formula. Bad date plus new RBD minus old RBD. This is important. Bad date plus new RBD. Bad date bad date means the money which cannot be irrecoverable money from the customer is called bad date. New RBD means you keep the provision 5% or 8% on the debtor may come, may not come. What's RBD? Reserve for bad and doubtful debts. Then old RBD. This year it is new RBD. If it comes in next year, it's called old RBD. The formula is B plus N minus O. Bad date plus new RBD minus old RBD. Regarding the stock destroyed, no, I give one more example. If the stock destroyed is 10,000, if we receive 10,000 only, so how to treat? 10,000 trading account credit side, another 10,000 on the asset side of the balance sheet. No loss, no gain. Here, your stock destroyed is 3,000. How much you recover? 2,000. How much you could not recover on them? If one of the students may ask, your stock destroyed is 10,000. By chance, if insurance company pays 15,000, no chance are there? 99.9% no chance. Assume that there is a one question. Or say stock destroyed 10,000. How much insurance company going to pay? 50. How to treat this, sir? How to treat this adjustment? Trading 10,000 trading account credit side. 15,000 on the asset side of the balance sheet. 5,000 is a gain on loss destroyed. So nobody will say gain on stock destroyed. How much gain on stock destroyed? 5,000. Where 10,000 will come? Trading account credit side. 15,000 asset side of the balance sheet. How much profit you got? 5,000. Profit and loss account credit side will come, but chances are very less. For sake of a discussion, we are saying really is 10,000 trading account credit side, 15,000 asset side of the balance sheet, difference 5,000 profit and loss account. So regarding this now, here 3,000 how much you recover? 2,000 how much could not be recovered? 1,000. 3,000 trading account credit side, 2,000 asset side of the balance sheet, 1,000 profit and loss account. So the formula means your bad debt as per the problem is 2,500. Your RBD is 6,000. That is on 1,36,500. So it becomes 9,000. As per the trial balance, what's your old RBD? 3,800. This will show debit side of profit and loss account. 5,000. This formula you must remember. Bad date plus new RBD minus old RBD. And one more time I will tell you, the items in the trial balance should appear either in the trading account or in the profit and loss account or in the balance sheet. The items in the adjustment should appear twice. Once in trading account, once in a balance sheet, once in a P&L account, once in a balance sheet. So 2 adjustments for a stock discharge. We'll go through 3 adjustments are considered. So regarding, I think you understand this point, you must see that 10 months rent is 4,000. How much outstanding? 800. Outstanding should be added. Prepaid should be there. So outstanding means still payable. Prepaid means paid more. This you have to understand. So I will explain the trial balance. Trial balance shows arithmetical accuracy of books of account. How the trial balance is prepared? Trial balance is prepared with the help of the ledger. Ledger is prepared with the help of the journal. Journal entry to ledger. Ledger to trial balance. Trial balance to trading and profit and loss account and a balance sheet. So one has got a link with other. So trial balance shows arithmetical accuracy of books of account. There are 2 sides. One is debit side, one is the credit side. Debit side shows assets and expenses. Credit side shows incomes and liability. Debit side, assets and expenses. Credit side, incomes. On the basis of that, we are going to prepare trading account. There are items. One is outstanding, one is prepaid. What is outstanding? Still payable. Still payable is outstanding, is a liability. Prepaid, paid more, deduct from the concerned head, then the asset side of the balance sheet. I've explained detailedly. So we have solved the problem, and I think I discussed very detailedly. If you have a doubt, we can ask in the next session, or when you go for a question answer section, we can answer. I will answer your questions now. Whatever doubt, I'm going to clear. So in the next session, we are going to solve one more problem about the final account with a good adjustment. Till then, goodbye. We'll meet in the next session. So we'll have another good problem from the question paper. Very tough adjustment you are going to do. We'll see in the next session with a good adjustment. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class.